Hello friends, today in this video we are going to study about onto function and how to check onto function. So friends, let's start. Onto function. Onto function is also known as surjective function, and the function which is not an onto function is called into function. So friends, first we understand what is an onto function. A function f mapping from x to y is onto if every element of y is image of some elements of x. So friends, here you see every element of y is image of some element of x. So image of A is 1, image of B is 2, image of C is 3. So here you see the pre-image of 1 is A, pre-image of 2 is B, pre-image of 3 is C. So this is an onto function. In another word, you may say the range of function f is equal to range of function f is equal to codomain of function f. If they are equal, range of function f is equal to codomain of f, then we can say this function is onto. Here you see range of function f is it contains 1, 2, 3 and codomain of f is y set. Now you see the y set and range are equal because they contains same element. Okay, so this function is an onto function. Now come to this function. Here you see the pre-image of 1 is A and B. Pre-image of 2 is C. Pre-image of 3 is D. So every element of y is image of some elements of x. So this is an onto function. Okay friends, in other words you can say the range of function f is equal to codomain of function f. If they are equal, then function is onto. So here range and codomain of f is this set. Okay, and they are equal. So this function mapping from x to y is onto function. Okay, now you see this function mapping from x to y. Here pre-image of 1 is A, pre-image of 2 is B, pre-image of 4 is C, and pre-image of 3 does not exist. That's why this is not an onto function. Okay friends, and in other words, range of this function contains 1, 2 and 4, and codomain contains 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and they are not equal. Range of F is not equal to codomain of F. Okay, so it is an into function. Here the range of F subset of codomain of F in this function. So it is an into function. Okay friends, next. Now we know how to check onto function. You know that onto function, if range of F is equal to the codomain of F, then we say onto function. First step to check. First you choose an arbitrary element y in set B. Y belongs to B. Any arbitrary element you choose in set B. If function is mapping from A to B, then you choose an element y in B in codomain. Okay, first step. And second step is you write f of x is equal to y. You write this. Okay, then you simplify it. Okay, you solve it. Third step is solve the equation f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y for x, and you obtain x in term of y. X in term of y. Solve this function and you get x in term of y. That is, you may write x is equal to g of y. And fourth step is if for all values of y belongs to B, the values x obtained from x is equal to g of y are in set A. For all values of y. For all values of y belongs to B. For all values of y means for all element of B. Okay, if there exists x belongs to A, there exists x obtained from x equal to g of y in set A, then f is onto function, otherwise f is into function. So friends, you understand this step. properly function mapping from A to B, and y belongs to B. Okay, for each value of y belongs to B, if there exists x equal to g of y, okay, belongs to which set? A, such that f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y means if here x is equal to g of y is equal to y, means for each element of B, if there exists x is equal to g of y in set A, such that f of x is equal to f of g of y, that is equal to y. That means f of x is equal to y. Then we can say that function is onto. Understood? Otherwise, function f is into. So friends, for example, we take for example, okay, see, function f mapping from R to R given by f of x is equal to x cube plus 2 for all values of x in set R. Okay, here R is the set of real numbers, okay, and this is domain, and this is codomain, okay. So first step, you choose an arbitrary element in set R in codomain. So you first choose an element of R, this R, okay, such that f of x is equal to y, okay. So here let y be an arbitrary element of R codomain such that f of x is equal to y, okay. Now you solve this equation, okay. Second step is solving this equation. So here f of x is equal to x cube plus 2. So here you write x cube plus 2. Then you take 2 right side. Then you get x cube is equal to y minus 2. Then x is equal to y minus 2 cube root, that is 1 by 3. Y minus 2 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, you got this much, x equal to. Now fourth step, okay, here you have written x in term of what? Y, that is x is equal to gy, okay. Now for each element y belongs to codomain, that is this set, okay. There exists, this symbol is for there exist, so there exist x is equal to this, x is equal to y of g of y, g of y, okay, which belongs to R domain, okay, such that f of x, okay, here x is equal to what? Now cube root of y minus 2, so here you put x value, okay, now is equal to what? F of x, you know, x cube plus 2, so f of y minus 2 whole to the power 1 by 3, this if you put, then you get y minus 2 1 by 3 whole to the power 3 plus 2, that is equal to 3 cancel, then y minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 2 cancel, then you get y, and this is nothing but f of x. So you got this f of x is equal to y, okay, f of x equal to y. So fourth step also completed. Now hence we can say f of x is an onto function, okay friends. Next, another example B. Function g mapping from R to R means set of real numbers given by g of x is equal to x square plus 2 for all value of x belongs to R, x belongs to R, this R, okay, this domain. Now first step is first choose an arbitrary element of set R, the codomain. So you choose an element of R, that is y. So let y be an arbitrary element of set R codomain such that f of x is equal to y, okay. Now come to second step, that is f of x is equal to y. This equation you now solve and you write x in term of y. So as you know, here f of x equal to y. So here g of x given, by mistake I have written f, here you write g of x is equal to y. Here also g of x is equal to y, okay. Now g of x is your x square plus what? 2. So here you write x square plus 2. X square plus 2 is equal to y. 2 you take right side, then minus 2. So x square is equal to y minus 2. And x is equal to what? Now square root of y minus 2. Okay, so this is in term of what? Y. Okay, you may write like this also. X is equal to this. Now you see, if you put y, if y value is less than 2, okay, then you get this value. Suppose you take y equal to 1, then y minus 2 under root, that is equal to minus 1 the root. This is iota. So this is imaginary number. Okay, an imaginary number is not an element of a real number. Okay, that's why here for x belongs to R, for x belongs to R, okay, x is a real number when y greater than 2, okay, y greater than 2. So friends, here range of g, this range of g is equal to what? 2 or greater than 2. So 2 or greater than 2. Y is equal to 2, then x is equal to how much? Now 2 minus 2 under root, that is equal to 0, under root, that is equal to root of 0 is 0. So x is equal to 0, that is real number. If you take less than 2, if you take less than 2, y value less than 2, then you get imaginary number. So but here what given? Here real number given. So we cannot take. So here you see x belongs to R for when? For y greater than, for all value of y greater than 2. Okay, so range of g is this 2 and this interval. Okay, now you see codomain is what? Codomain of g function, codomain of g function is R, real number set, but we have got the range of function g is what? 2 up to infinity. This, and they are not equal. So here range of g is not equal to the set R, that is codomain. Okay, so it is not an onto function. Here also range of g is subset of R, that is codomain. So this function g is not an onto function. Okay, for onto function, range of g must be equal to the codomain of g function. Okay, but here we are not getting that. That's why this function g is not an onto function. So g is into, okay, g is an into function. Thank you friends, for today this much.